1 second, please. Good questions, huh? All of them. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have a Rocksbox unboxing. Rocksbox is a jewelry subscription service for $21 a month. I like getting Rocksbox because they have a name brands and you get to pick your pieces every single month. You can go through their site and their inventory and just kind of pick 10 pieces to put in your top 10. And then you have a stylist that chooses 3 pieces from there to send to you every single month. And then once you receive them, you can wear them. If you like them, you can keep them and you pay for them. And then that $21 goes towards your purchase. And if you don't like them, then you can return them and get more items. I just love Rocksbox. To be honest, I have kept every single piece that I've ever gotten from Rocksbox. And I've been getting Rocksbox for 3 years. 3 years. It was 3 years in June. I remember when I signed up. We had just moved to California. Good times. So if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I do a ton of unboxings just like this, and let's get into this video. So Rocksbox does come in a bag like this. This is the actual mailing component, and you kind of rip it open. And I don't want to be too annoying because I'm like really close to the microphone, but you don't want to rip it because you're gonna keep this bag, and it's a reusable bag, so you can send back whatever you don't want. So very important to keep this. Don't throw it away. I've done that a few times, even though I've never really wanted to send anything back anyway. But this is the packaging that Rocksbox comes in. I love it, and it's a really nice and sturdy box, to be honest. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I don't even remember what I got because this got delivered quite some time ago. You get a card that says "Hey gorgeous," and then the top tips for jewelry care. So a lot of it's genuine gold and silver plated. Avoid contact with water, perfume, and other chemicals. Take off jewelry when showering, exercising, etc., and use the soft jewelry bag to polish. They also do sell fine pieces of jewelry, so they actually have 18 karat gold and rhodium plated or over sterling silver pieces. I'm not sure if any of these, I doubt that these are like that. Oh, this is so cute. It says Mary. How cute. I do have a discount code with Rocksbox, by the way, and if you use my discount code, I'll have it here on the screen. I don't remember it off the top of my head right now. If you use my discount code, you can get your first month discounted or free. I really don't remember what it is right now. It's been a while since I've done a Rocksbox unboxing, but I do make a little bit of commission off of that. It's not commission, it doesn't go directly in my pocket, but it actually helps me pay for my pieces. This is not sponsored by Rocksbox, but I do love jewelry so much. So I just love sharing what I get on Rocksbox every single month. And well, not every single month. I don't do this every month really. Sometimes I just hold off a little bit. I do genuinely enjoy Rocksbox and I highly recommend it. And if you choose to shop through my link, not only will you save money, but I will be eternally grateful because I get to buy my pieces. It comes with 3 pieces every single month and they all come in little bags. You know what? Let me just show you the box. Bags like this. I love how small the box is usually. So I'm just gonna go with the first one. And the first one, oh, I'm excited. So this is the Willow Toggle Necklace. The retail price is $55, but the member price is $46. And actually, this box is not so pricey. This is really pretty. It feels really heavy and high quality. Not heavy, like annoyingly heavy, where it's gonna be like annoying to put on. Oh, this is gonna be an easy necklace to put on. This is so exciting. So this is what it looks like. It's got the chain links like this, and then a nice little pendant right here. So this is what it looks like. And then the back is like flat. There's nothing on it, so it doesn't have a pattern or anything. It already has my fingerprints, so I mean, it's a good thing that that's the back and it's gonna be against my chest all the time, but that could get scratched kind of easily, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. This is a really easy to put on necklace, which makes me really happy because I usually have longer nails. Oh, this is cool. It's super easy to put on, so much easier than a normal clasp. Really exciting for me. 1 second, please. There you go. This is super pretty. I think I'm keeping this. I love the style of the chain, like with the chain link kind of thing is so pretty. And yeah, I think I'm going to be keeping this one for sure. Kind of doesn't match with what I'm wearing today, but I'm going to keep it on for the purposes of this video. Moving on to the next little bag, we have, ooh, these are pretty. We have the Slate Madden Huggies in gold. The retail price is $45. The member price is $38. I did forget to mention this when I talked about the first one. They do discount your jewelry if you're buying it if you are a member. So if you like actually like pay monthly, like if you are subscribed to Rocksbox, you get a member discount basically. These are really pretty. They're smaller hoops. I actually picked these on purpose. I remember because I really don't have small hoops like these, and I actually wanted the Jaclyn Hill's new jewelry brand. They're bigger than this. I wanted the twisty hoops that she had come out with, but they were just so expensive. These are actually gold over brass That's the metal. They are 0.75 of an inch. Let me go ahead and put them on. I'm not wearing any earrings at all today. They do have like this kind of annoying little clasp. I hope they fit my ears because I do have issues with that sometimes. I figured these might make really good second hole hoops too, because they're really small. I love them. I haven't had a small pair of hoops like this in so long. I love these so much. I'm definitely keeping them. They're super pretty. They don't feel heavy on the ears at all, and they are so stunning. Exactly what I was looking for in a small hoop, to be quite honest, so I'm really happy with those. Let me go ahead and see what the necklace is made out of, because I forgot to do that. Yeah, gold over brass as well. So I do think that that's why this box, the whole retail value, which I'll tell you in a second, is a little bit less, because it's not made out of like actual 14 karat gold or even gold plated. And the last thing in this box is the Rudiment Zodiac ring. So I'm an Aquarius. I got the Aquarius ring. The retail price is $60, but the member price is $51. I'm so excited. I've been getting everything in gold. I just realized I usually kind of mix metals. I don't really care. This actually looks like not, it's very thin, like thinner than I thought it would be. And it doesn't look, sorry if I have paint all over my hands. I'm doing crazy body paint looks. Yeah, I have paint. I'm not dirty, I promise. Anyway, it doesn't look like such great quality. It actually looks like a material that'll go black really easily. I did get a size 7. I never learned. I got a size 7 to put in my middle finger because I'm usually a size 6. So now this is like somewhere in the middle. It fits on my ring finger kind of loosely. I need to get an 8 for my middle finger. I gotta remember that. But it's really pretty. It's kind of dainty. Actually, I like it on me more than I like it when I saw it like in the bag when I first took it out. Now, would you wear it like this so people could read it? Or would you wear it so you could read it? Good questions, huh? Let's see what this is made out of. 14 karat gold plating over brass. So this one is, that's why that one's like the priciest product in this whole entire box. So yeah, this one's the priciest product, then the necklace, and then the hoops, which the hoops are feeling really good. And usually I get irritations in my ears if I'm not wearing like actual metals. So they feel really nice. Like I think they did a good job with those. I'm really happy with this. I think I'm going to keep everything. I do like the way this looks. It's really kind of dainty. I think if it was thicker, it would look weird on my fingers because my fingers are really small. This should be a size 6 though. Kind of regret this. I need to remember to get an 8. Like, can I kind of force it? I'm afraid to force it down. Oh my god, do you ever have that fear when you're putting on a ring that it won't come off ever again? That's so scary. Okay, so the subtotal of everything in this box is $135, but as a member you get certain discounts depending on like the time of year. Like sometimes they'll give you like a Christmas $5 bonus or your anniversary bonus. They also give you a buy all discount, so if I buy all 3 I get $10 off, and I have some other credits on my account, plus the $21 that you pay a month goes toward that amount, that total amount as well. So for me, if I wanted to keep all 3 of these, I would pay $76, which I actually think is a really good deal. So 3 pieces for $76 is actually really not bad. I'm gonna end up keeping these for sure. I'm really happy with this box. I think it was a great box. What do you guys think? Let me know which piece was your favorite. I honestly can't choose. I don't really like this necklace with this shirt right now, so it's not a good representation of how I would wear this, how I would pair this with like fashion wise. But I mean, all 3 of these together are really pretty. I'm really happy with this box. I love all 3 pieces. I cannot even choose. This is the first time that I can't choose which piece is my favorite, for reals. Like sometimes I'm like, oh, I like this piece a little bit more, but I like them all. But no, genuinely, I like them all of them, and I'm gonna get used out of all of them. I'm keeping them. So yeah, again, I have a discount code. I'll have it up on the screen if you're interested in signing up for Rocksbox. I'll also have it in the description down below if you are wanting to just get some jewelry. I think jewelry subscription services are so fun because it's not jewelry you would normally buy yourself, although I was looking specifically for these earrings. You kind of go through their site and you're like, oh, be picking random pieces. That's what I really like about subscription services. But yeah, I love Rocksbox. I rate this box a 10 out of 10 for sure. Totally approved by me. Let me know what you guys think. Which one was your favorite piece? And yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. You can go through their site and like pick, do you know what I mean? And then the last thing in this, the retail